So I want to show y'all the lash hack that has like drastically changed the way that I do my lashes. Now I can do my lashes now in like 30 seconds, as before it would take me like 5 to 10 minutes. So it was really simple, real easy. And I didn't come up with this. I saw somebody else do it and I tried it, and I've been doing it ever since. So what you're gonna do first is take some lash glue. I like this one from Kiss. It's the clear one. And it dries pretty quickly. Now normally I would take my lash glue and put it directly on my lashes, right? Blow it off, let it dry for a little bit, then stick it on my eye. Not doing that anymore, it takes way too long. So you're gonna take the lash glue and apply it directly to your eyelid like it's eyeliner, right? And the clear one works the best because if you make a mistake, say you use the black one, and you're not as precise. With the clear one, you don't have to worry about that, because once it dries, you don't see it. So I pop that on there. It kind of looks like eyeliner, right? And it's gonna, right now it's a little blue, but it's gonna dry and it's gonna be clear. And I just wipe off the excess from my real lashes. Gonna do the same thing with the other eye. I'm doing both eyes at the same time. And you don't have to worry about being precise. You just really want to get the lash glue like as close to your lash line as you can. And I have really curly lashes, so I always get the lash glue in my lashes, which is fine because I can just wipe it off. It's no biggie. But yeah, that's on there. And you can see this one is almost dry already. Going to wipe off this excess glue. And by the time I open up these lashes, today I'm using the Bold and Wispy lashes from Kiss. This one is style number 2. And by the time I get these bad boys open, it's gonna be ready to pop them on. Using tweezers, you can use your fingers, but I like to be a little precise. And plus my hands are a little shaky. Put the lash in the tweezers, starting with the middle like always. And I don't cut my lashes because I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna pop it on there. And then the rest I can pretty much do with my fingers. We're gonna take the tweezers again and squeeze the lashes together. Now this part takes the longest because I really like for them to be blended. And look at that. Done. It's on there and it's not going anywhere. Now I'm gonna do the other one. I like these lashes. And that one was even faster. And they're done. Just like that.